What's going on, guys? We're out here doing a mulch job. We got all that done. It's 12 yards of mulch. Sometimes it rains, sometimes it pours. It's definitely pouring right now. It's just constant for about an hour and a half now of just the actual rain coming down. But we're getting it done. We're up here in the front yard finally. That was our 12-yard pile. Not looking too bad. What's up, Sergeant?
What's up?
Got this much to do. We're getting it done. We are all finished up out here. Got everything done from the backyard to the front yard. And the rain finally is letting up. Just changed into a new sweatshirt. Now that we're done. Mulch. It's that black hemlock, 12 yards in total. But I think they delivered more like 2 extra yards, to be honest. It's a lot of mulch. So we got all that job done. I am heading home right now. Actually, I'm going to my parents' house. I'm gonna go over there and do a bonfire. We out here on the property getting that bonfire going. Check this out. This is where I burn all my lawn debris. I dump it here on my dad's property. What's up, Aiden?